Yo, big brother mzansi. Today we had a very early head of house challenge, very early at around 12 p.m. South African time. Housemates went to the arena, and just like last week, the task was done in groups of four. In groups of fours. No, I think it was six. Yeah, in groups of sixes, where they had to transport balls using a bedinyana, so I don't know what that thing is. To the other side, they have to cross a seesaw. So yeah, the final round we had Jojo, Uyanda, Swiss, and Sipali. They won their groups. Yeah. The second round they had to move cups but using a balloon. So you blow a balloon inside a cup and move it. And guess what? Uyanda won. I mean, it's not shocking. He nearly won last week. Lost on technicality. So we have a new head of house, Uyanda. But Big Brother says there's a twist. I hope the twist doesn't twist the head of house, because wow. So congratulations to Uyanda. I guess spoke too soon. There seems to be a twist, and the twist says that on Monday at 6 o'clock, 4 housemates will take part in the head of house challenger. Whoever wins the head of house challenger becomes the head of house and inherits all the privileges. Jesus. Yo, Uyanda better win it again. Otherwise, he's going to be nominated and he won't take it lightly. It won't be funny for him. Big brother. These are the type of twists that I like about the show. They keep me on my seat. I want to watch all the time because of such twists, and I'm here for them.